Welcome! I'm Susan, your teacher here at Booked Up English. Today, we will learn a red word. Remember, red words are special because we stop to think about them. Practice all the red words using the link below. We will do 4 things to learn red words. Listen, say, spell, write. You will need a notebook and a pencil. Make flashcards to practice. Use a red marker or pencil to help your brain learn these words. Are you ready? Let's go. Today's red word is goes. 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 We'll use our arms and body to help our brain spell. G-O-E-S. Goes. G-O-E-S. Goes. Let's write it. G-O-E-S. Goes. G-O-E-S. Goes. Excellent job today. See you soon.